Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you some fun and easy ideas for Valentine's Day, along with some high-end dupes and DIYs for adults and kids. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. So let's get right into it. These cozy heart-shaped pillows from Pottery Barn are $49.50 each, and we found dupes for it at Joann for the rose and red color for $24 and the white one at TJ Maxx for $16.99. Next, this wooden heart tray is $39.50 at Pottery Barn, and we found two options for you guys. The first one is at TJ Maxx, a set of two for $24.99, and this one at Hobby Lobby for $7.90. Moving on to this brass heart sculpture, which is $129, and we found a dupe at a website called Lamps Plus for $39.95, which is also very beautiful, and we love the bronze finish look of it. These super cute heart mugs is $40 for a set of four, and we found a dupe on Amazon for $6.99 each, a really good price for the mug and saucer set. These pink cocktail glasses are $14 each, and we found a dupe for it at Target for $7.99, and we'll be sharing with you guys a delicious cocktail in this video using this glass. These marble trays come in two sizes, and they run from $24.50 to $59, and you can find a dupe at Marshall's for only $12.99. We love this heart embedded glass, but it's sold out, and we found a dupe for it at World Market for $9.99. And Home Goods carries a similar style and is actually acrylic, and we love that it's kid friendly. The last dupe on our list are these marble coasters that every occasion is a special occasion to use them. They're $29.50 for a set of four, and we were so excited when we found a dupe for it at Home Goods for only $6.99, and it also comes in a set of four. Okay, so first on our list of DIYs is this really pretty and festive champagne flute, and Pottery Barn carries them in gold, blue, and red. They're $79 for a set of four, so I decided to make my own, and I really like the gold color the best. You can use a glass you already have, or you can get a new one specifically for this project. You can use acrylic or fabric paint. If you use fabric paint like I am, just make sure you wash the glass really well or use rubbing alcohol so the paint can adhere better. Also, you can add more dots to it or less. There's no wrong way of doing this, and this is the final result, guys. For the next DIY, the interlocking hearts napkin ring was one of my favorite items in the Valentine's Day collection from Pottery Barn, so I wanted to try and see if I could come up with something similar. So I drew two different size hearts. The heart that goes in the front is slightly larger than the one in the back. I'll be linking everything down for you guys in the description box below. I got this wire from Joann, and I like it that it's quite easy to bend and easy to work with. You'll also need clay and black spray paint for this project. I really liked this particular clay. It was easy to work with, and I really liked that it was odor-free. Once you're done molding, I do recommend waiting 24 hours for it to dry completely before you spray paint it. So here's the final result of my interlocking hearts napkin ring. I'd love to know your thoughts in the comment section. By the way, this was my first time attempting to make a napkin ring, but I really like how they turned out and I can't wait to display them. For this next project, this is a super easy and cute Valentine's Day gift for anyone you love. I got some bubbly Moscato, but you can use Coca-Cola. They also have the same packaging, just a little bigger. And we used a baby pink spray paint and some ribbon. After it's completely dry, just add your sparkling drinks to it. I used hot glue to glue the ribbon to the box. I just placed it in the middle, but of course you can place it anywhere you want in the box. And then to top it off, I just added a chocolate heart to it, and that's it. Super easy and a delicious Valentine's Day gift. I get this cute box at Dollar Tree, which is perfect for kids or for a gift exchange at school. It came with a green ribbon, so I wanted to change it to a pink ribbon, and I also used pink wrapping paper. And then I just added some chocolates. Again, you can add whatever you want, and these 3 hearts pick. I first placed them on the side, and then I placed them in the middle, and I think I like them in the middle better. Our first kids project is this easy but so special gift that everyone in your family will love. All you're gonna need are glass domes, which you can find at any craft store. I got these at Hobby Lobby. You will also need some ink pigments. I went with red and pink, of course. Some magnetic stickers, just make sure they're heavy enough to hold the domes. Some small clear bags, ribbon, copy paper, and glue. So you're gonna need your little one's fingers for this. As you can see, we had a lot of tryouts before nailing it. Patience here is definitely key. And here's the final result, you guys, and I'm really happy with how they turned out. For the second kids project, this is a super fun and easy treat. You need graham crackers, conversation hearts, and white chocolate. Melt the white chocolate because you're going to use it as glue, and you're going to glue the conversation hearts to the teddy bear's belly. And this was a success because my babies loved it. Next, this is a strawberry champagne cocktail. I made it for my whole family and they loved it. It's super easy and delicious, not too sweet, and I know you're gonna love it too. So you only need strawberry Fanta, a hard silicone mold, edible glitter, champagne, and raspberries for garnish. If you do make this drink, I would love to hear from you if you enjoyed it. Look how pretty it is, and it's so delicious, you guys. You cannot have Valentine's Day without the staple piece: chocolate-covered strawberries and champagne. This has always been my favorite Valentine's Day treat, and it brings back so many good memories, and it's simply delicious. I just melted some milk chocolate and white chocolate, and now you just have to take it up a notch and decorate this gift box for an even better presentation. I just want to show you guys this wrapping using a piece of fabric. This is going to be the theme this year for my Valentine's Day presents. It's super pretty and different and a good twist on your everyday wrapping presentation. Okay everyone, there you have it. We really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you here. We hope we gave you some fun ideas for you to try. We wish you guys a wonderful Valentine's Day and we'll see you all on our next video.